What if I took just $100 and turned it into $10,000 in only 7 days? No cap. Real moves. USA only. If I fail, I donate every single penny to charity. But if I win, I keep the money. And I give you the complete step-by-step playbook so you can try it too. This is gonna be absolutely insane. Let's go! First, the rules. I start with exactly $100 cash or app balance. Only legal USA methods. Crypto trades, stock flips, freelance gigs, reselling, whatever actually works. I'm filming and tracking every single move live. This is high risk. I could lose everything. This is not financial advice. Markets are crazy volatile right now, but you're about to watch me try anyway. Day 1. I split the $100 right down the middle. 50 goes straight into a low-fee crypto exchange for a quick flip. The other 50 I use for a resell play, buying cheap trending items online and flipping them fast. But here's the spoiler. My very first trade tanks 20% overnight. Heart attack. I'm already down bad. Day 2. I lost 20 bucks on that meme coin pump and dump. Brutal. I'm staring at my phone like, what just happened? But I don't quit. I pivot hard. I sign up for Upwork and Fiverr with whatever's left and start offering services. Boom! I land a quick $150 gig writing finance tips. Yeah, ironic. Suddenly I'm back over $200 total. We're alive! Day 3. I got cocky. Thought I was a genius. I YOLO'd almost everything into a stock dip. Market crashes instantly. Down to $80. Pure panic mode. I'm sweating. Hands shaking. I sell everything. Wipe the slate clean and jump straight into an AI side hustle. I use completely free tools to create custom LinkedIn posts for businesses. And get this, I land 2 $300 clients in just a few hours. Back to $600 plus. We're climbing again. Days 4 and 5. Now I go full scale mode. More gigs, more reselling viral products, smart hold on Ethereum. Crypto starts rebounding hard. By the end of day 5, I hit $2,500. But wait, taxes, fees, withdrawals? I had to sit down and do the real talk. Day 6. Everything is on the line. I go all in on one calculated play. Crypto arbitrage mixed with a high-ticket gig close. One wrong move and it's total wipeout. The tension is insane. Heart pounding. And then it lands. $4,000 profit in 1 day. Total now $7,800. Day 7. Final day. Last push. I flip the rest into safe-ish gains plus one bonus gig. And I crossed $10,000. Officially. I actually did it. But let me be real with you. It was way more stressful than it looks. There were moments I thought it was completely over. Full breakdown. Every single step I took, exact apps, exact tools, exact mistakes I made. It's all in the pinned comment right now. You can literally start with just $100 too. Try your own version this week and tag me in the results. I'm checking every single one. If you would actually do this challenge yourself, smash that like button right now and subscribe because next week I'm doing a $0 to $1,000 challenge starting with literally nothing. We're gonna keep making money together. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Now go start your challenge. I'll see you in the comments.